Welcome to the Medicaid Enterprise System MES Overview video. This video explains why there is a move from the Medicaid Management Information System, MES, to the new Medicaid Enterprise System, MES. It will also describe the MES modular solution, how it works, how modules are accessed, and how information is shared. Finally, it will identify what's new in MES. Let's take a look.
MES is a program for DMAS to build a new enterprise-class Medicaid management system, which breaks apart a system based on older all-in-one-box technology. The Medicaid Enterprise System, called MES, is reassembling Medicaid management into a modular, flexible, and upgradable system, affording greater control for agency users and easy access for providers, members, and sister agencies. Virginia was early to respond to requirements from CMS to upgrade to new and more flexible technologies. MES provides DMAS with a system focused on business-based decision-making, including advanced reporting and fraud detection. MES's individual solutions, called modules, represent all of the complex processes which DMAS uses and can be upgraded to meet DMAS needs. Several modules are already live and are providing benefits for DMAS and our stakeholders. MES is very comprehensive and includes connections to many systems and entities. These connections are managed by ISS. ISS can be thought of as the central coordinator for all the information flowing through MES. Data flows from module to module in the cloud, with ISS directing the traffic to the right place. ISS includes the Mes Portal, where users can connect to any module they are approved for right from their web browser. The MES Public Portal is also the first stop for users when looking for the resources they need, including user guides and training. In order for ISS to connect to all the components of MES, DMAS built a one-of-a-kind special network to ensure secure and reliable communications between cloud-based modules. You can imagine the internet is like this highway, filled with bad actors and a little fuzzy. Now imagine the MES intranet, completely separate with its own secure connections and separate from the normal public internet. While MES solutions are in the cloud, connections must be made to locations all over the U.S., tying together all of the vendor and government solutions which collectively are MES. We'll look at cross-module connectivity as we review each module. The Encounter Processing Solution, or EPS, provides secure connections to receive and validate encounters submitted by MCOs and other trading partners. EPS validates the data to ensure it's formatted correctly and completely. The data is then supplied to ISS and other MES modules. EPS was developed in-house using DMAS resources and talent and is already CMS certified. The Pharmacy Benefit Management Solution, or PBMS, manages pharmacy benefits across the provider and member communities. PBMS also shares data with other MES modules while managing pharmacy benefits, drug rebates, transactions, and payments. PBMS is also CMS certified. The Enterprise Data Warehouse Solution, or EDWS, is the main storage repository for data within MES. EDWS receives and supplies data on demand to MES modules through ISS and is the source for data analytics and Tableau dashboards for users. Provider Services, known as PRSS, provides overall management for provider-related activities. PRSS connects to all MES modules. PRSS easily maintains and manages the providers in DMAS's network. For example, provider eligibility and enrollment and screening are all part of PRSS. Care management, called CRMS, streamlines and standardizes the information exchange among MCOs and DMAS business areas through member transition records. Access through the Mes Portal. A comprehensive set of health records are created and maintained for behavioral health and long-term care using eMLS and Locary web applications. Just like EPS, CRMS was developed internally by DMAS. The Medicaid Management Information System, or MMIS, is the core of MES and includes solutions for member management, claims adjudication, financials, and payment processing. MMIS interfaces with several modules. For example, provider data is received from PRSS, helping to deliver a seamless experience for the provider community. MMIS also manages member eligibility and enrollment and provider reimbursement. The Appeals module includes a new system to automate appeals processes and make the appeals adjudication process easier and faster. The new Mes Portal for Appeals replaces an antiquated system and automates many processes which were previously handled manually in a paper-based process. 2021 is a very busy year for the MES program. Several modules are already finished and operational. The remainder of MES will be tested and become operational in 2022. While MES is a collection of cool technology, MES will provide better services for our members, our providers, and our stakeholders by building a complete solution using modular technology.
Thank you for completing the MES overview video.